Today I will draw the drawing of Lionel Messi using ballpoint pen. Using grid method, I will first draw the outline.
Walking down this lonely road, damn near almost lost my soul. But now that I'm in control, what they gon' do? Can no evil hold me down? Let no evil hold me down. When your will is on the ground, what you gon' do? I won't go for anything that isn't in direction of the moon. Don't never let anything come in between, cause surely you will lose. Inhale the atmosphere, brushing fear right off the shoulders.
Outline is done. Now I will do shading using ballpoint pen. I will start with the left eye. I will make it dark by applying more pressure when the part is dark and less pressure where there is light part.
Sinking, drowning, washed up recently, feel up.
Then first darken the hair outline and shading on the forehead. I will do the shading using layer method. Then I will make another layer in the part where there is dark tone and make it as dark as required. I will also make the right eye.
Only one laughing right now.
I will use paper stump and tissue paper to blend. Then I will darken the outline of the nose and do shading.
About to make a boatload, then you'll see.
Then darken the beard hair on the left side and make shading in the cheek.
In every predicament, I found a way out. I need a payout. Smoking an L at a Marriott. I don't need no one to tell me I'm very hot. Feet on the ground, I sober. I told the world for closure. Don't really know my worth yet. Test my self-composure. I just smile when I know they run their mouth. I'll call you out. Just ask Larry how it
Do the same in the right side cheek.
goes. Do this shit myself, no undercover label. Fight your battle, get your girl off my Insta. Are you able? Sinking, drowning, washed up recently. Feel I bust up. Only one laughing right now. Me, about to make a boat.
Make an outline in the lips and shading on the inside. And then make the hair of the beard in the lower part of it.
Let me show you what I mean. Let me take you on them back roads. Show you things you ain't seen. Places only I know. And I know that you got a lot of dreams, and I'm telling you.
Now first darken the outline in the left ear and then shading layer by layer.
Get it how you want it, only get one life. So don't think twice. How you stepping up when you keep running? Me, myself, and I keep it 300.
Make the hair after the ear is finished. Then I will first draw the part where the highlight is for it. I will it dark by applying more pressure on the part which is dark.
Girl, sometimes I the worst for you. Had a good time, no I can't lie, but I'm tryna look out for you. So let me show you what I mean. Let me take you on them back roads. Show you things you ain't seen.
The hair is complete, so now I will do the shading in the neck area. Then there too I will make the outline first.
You don't think twice, yeah. If you want it, go and get it how you want it, only get one life. So don't think twice, no one gon' get it for you, that's true. Time to move on, 2:15. Took 100 shots, now went through. Learned a lot from that, then if one went through. They ain't wanna see you get what you can.
Make it darker by making more layer where the part is dark.
More you love yourself, more they wanna hate more. Let me take you for a ride, let me show you what I mean. Let me take you on them.
At the end, shading in his t-shirt. The darker part here is more, so I will do it more pressure.
I know, and I know that you got a lot of dreams, and I'm telling you, don't think twice. Yeah. If you want it, go and get it how you want it, only get one.
With that, my drawing is complete. I hope you like it as much as I did. Enjoy the final result.
That isn't in direction of the moon. Don't never let anything come in between, cause surely you will lose. Introspect, take a sec, watch it step, where you step, when you step, falling free through the sky, feel the breeze, feel the eye, all your fears, let them die, energy never lies, introspect, take a second, let your world unfold,
falling free through the skies.
I just want
I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know how you feel about this video and also comment below your suggestions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.
There's nothing we cannot handle.